I like this contest because the problems are fresh, they're exciting, they're new. We'll be talking about the exam, who conducts this exam, what is the difficulty level, what are the good scores, what are the strategies, what are AMCs? AMCs are, now it's a 25 question exam. Now if we talk about the different levels, the topics which are covered in AMC 10, the students could attempt this exam at home also. But going forward, it is going to be a strictly... Hi everyone, good evening, Jai Hind. One of the math contests which not only tests the problem solving abilities of the students but also the speed is AMCs. I like this contest because the problems are fresh, they're exciting, they're new, and also at the same time students have to keep up with the pace and they have to keep and end the exam in the stipulated time. Let's talk about AMC in this today's session. We'll be talking about the exam, who conducts this exam, what is the difficulty level, what are the good scores, what are the strategies, and everything about the AMC preparation as well. So let's start. So what are AMCs? AMCs are American Mathematics Competitions. They are conducted by the Mathematical Association of America, that is MMA. This is the same body which is responsible for selecting the US team, which represents the United States of America in International Math Olympiad. Right. So if we talk about the first exam, that is AMC 8. So AMC 8 is American Mathematics Competition for middle school. It is designed for the students for grades up till 8th. So students who are normally in grade 6th, 7th, sometimes grade 5th students also are able to appear and write this particular exam. So normally for the students of grade 6th, 7th, 8th and advanced grade 5 students who have a lot of interest in mathematics can also write this particular exam. It's a global competition. Students from a lot of countries around the globe appear just to see the benchmarking, just to see where do they stand at the global level. Why is this important? Why a lot of students write this exam? Because it builds early problem solving culture in the students, particularly for the students who enjoy mathematics. It's a great starting point, particularly in India. Before you write IOQM, there aren't many math contests, good math contests for the students of grade 6 and 7. So of course, a lot of these students write AMC 8. It develops speed. This is an important element in this particular math contest, and also the clarity. And of course, you get the international benchmarking. As I mentioned, a lot of students, not only US students, but also around the globe, write this particular exam. So you kind of know where do you stand at the global level. Now it's a 25 question exam, which is to be done in 40 minutes. So that is why the time is very important. The calculators are not allowed. Each question has 5 options and there is no negative marking for AMC 8. Now the syllabi is arithmetic, basic algebra, geometry, counting and probability, logical reasoning. There are no advanced high school topics like congruence, modulo. These are not there. So again, basic logical things which are used up till grade 8 level, right? So this is about this. Now, if we talk about the different levels wherein they select the US team, the first round is AMC 10, 12. The selected students from AMC 10 and 12, they write AIME, which is the second stage. The third stage is USAMO. It's a subjective exam to be held in 2 days. And the selected students of USAMO attend this Mathematics Olympiad summer program. And out of this intensive 3 weeks, 4 weeks camp, they select 6 students who represent the United States in International Maths Olympiad. So this is the program. We'll be talking about these 2 exams, AMC 10 and 12 now. So AMC 10 is for the students of grade 10th or below, that is under 17.5 years of age when this exam happens. Exam pattern is 25 multiple choice questions to be done in 75 minutes. There are no calculators allowed and no negative marking. And the problems are more challenging than AMC 8. The topics which are covered in AMC 10 are algebra, geometry, number theory, counting and probability, and does not include trigonometry, calculus or advanced topics of number theory or combinatorics. The top students of AMC 10, as we discussed, qualify for American Invitational Mathematics Examination, that is AIME, which is round 2. Can Indian students write this exam? We'll be talking about it in a while. But yes, the short answer is yes. How? We will be discussing it later. From there, then the students go to US AMO track, and ultimately they attend the selected students attend the camp, from which 6 students are selected to represent the United States. AMC 12 is for the students of grade 12th or below, right? So the first stage is divided into AMC 10 and AMC 12. The students who are 10th or below, they have to write AMC 10. The students who are in grade 11th, grade 12th, they have to write AMC 12. Right, so it becomes more balanced, particularly for the junior students, so that they are able to realize that seniors are not competing at the same level. So it is more advanced, even more advanced than AMC 10. The syllabi is algebra, advanced geometry, number theory, combinatorics, trigonometry, but then there is no calculus. The top students qualify for the second round AME, and of course, the selected students of AIME, are eligible to write US AMO later down the line. So this is a summary. AMC 8, 25 problems, AMC 10 and 12, 25 problems. AMC 8, the problems are to be done in 40 minutes, and AMC 10 and 12, the problems are to be done in 75 minutes. The type, both are MCQ, multiple choice questions, 5 options, marks per question 1, and here it is 6. And unattempted, you don't get any marks for unattempted. And for AMC 10 and 12, if you leave a question unattempted, you get 1.5 marks, right? So, and the wrong, you get 0 marks, right? So this is the structure. Now, what is the good score in AMC 8? So for the students of grade 6 and 7 who are willing to write AMC 8, anything above 17 marks out of 25, because one question is 1 mark, so anything above 17 marks out of 25 is considered to be a good score, and the distinction normally happens above 22, but 17 and more, if you are able to score in 40 minutes in this exam, you're doing really great in mathematics. As far as AMC 10 and 12, we'll talk about the strategies. So normal the cutoffs for AMC 10 are 96 to 120 marks, depending on the difficulty level. Sometimes it can go beyond 120 as well. So target for this cutoff, to clear this cutoff, is you have to do 15 problems correct and leave 10 blanks out of 25. Now, this is what makes it 105. So 105 normally in a good paper, when the things are difficult on the difficult side, 105 is a good score and will help a student qualify for the second stage. So 15 questions correct and 10 blank, or certain combination of these two. As far as AMC 10, 12 is concerned, which is a difficult exam, the cutoff ranges between 84 to 96 marks. The target should be, for a student who wants to achieve this, is 13 questions blank and 13 questions correct and 12 leaving 12 blank. So remember, you get 1.5 marks for every question you leave unattempted. So 96 it makes, and this should be good enough, for any combination of these two. Similar combination of these two would help you qualify. So in short, you have to do around 13 to 15 or 16 problems out of 25 problems correctly in order to achieve a very good score in AMC 10 and 12. So again, can Indian students write this exam? So even though it's a US based exam, there are a lot of third parties across the globe which conducts this exam in different countries. In India also, there are 2 IGLs appointed. One is TLUPS, other is Mrs. Nupur Gupta. So they conduct this exam. Going forward, 2026 onwards, this exam is going to be an offline exam. Earlier, the students could attempt this exam at home also. But going forward, it is going to be a strictly a center exam, and most likely wherever you are, there are going to be some centers within you will be able to attempt these exams. So Indian students can write AMCs. In fact, the selected students can also write AIME, the second stage. Of course, why should you be writing this exam? It is excellent for Olympiad exposure. The more good contest that you write, particularly this one where the problems are fresh, the content is new, you should definitely write and be excited about the problems. Improves the speed-based problem solving. Most of the Indian contests like IOQM or maybe AMCs, they do not test the speed. There is enough time. The difficulty level is high, but again, the speed is not tested. This is one contest which not only test the problem solving skills, but also the speed of the student. And of course, the students who want to apply abroad in US universities particularly, a good AIME and an AMC score definitely helps build a strong profile. Many serious Olympiad aspirants practice AMC problems regularly, because in Art of Problem Solving, EOPS website, there is 40-50 years of questions of last year, previous year AMCs which are given. So it's a great practice for any good math contests. Also, do we prepare for these exams? Vedantu Olympiad School, yes, there are specified batches. So for AMC 8, the batch which helps students get good marks in AMC 8 is Olympiad Math Mastery Level 5. For AMC 10, the batch is OMM Level 6. For AMC 12, the batch is OMM Level 7. For AIME, we have OMM Level 8 and USAMO, OMM Level 9 and 10. So these are the batches in Vedantu Olympiad School that we train students for. If you want to study in these batches, the links of these batches are there in the description box. Hope you found this information useful. Take care. God bless you. Bye, everyone.